sand mining issue is in the news for various reasons. They have shown, the government has done some sort of study, the North and South Goa collector, and they have marked leases which are going to be auctioned or whatever. But I have here an office memorandum from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Now the details mentioned here clearly show that the kind of sand mining that the government plans to do in Goa is illegal. In the onset, it divides sand mining into two categories, B1 and B2. B1 is where anything about 25 hectares, anything area, the lease area about 25 hectares is considered B1, which requires a detailed environmental study. EIA has to be done. And also a public consultation process has to be done. From anywhere from 5 hectares, that is 50,000 square meters, to 25,000 square meters is considered B2. Now no study is done as to this lease areas, if you remove the sand, what effect it will have on the stability of the bridge. So it poses a risk to our infrastructure. So, and on the top, this area, if you see on the Google map, it is a mangrove site. This whole area is a mangrove. An eco-sensitive study is not done by the North Goa collector. It is very clear that we cannot do sand mining under the water, under the level, this surface of the water. It has to be done on the beds of the river. But unfortunately, our rivers are so narrow that we don't have that beds. Immediately fields start. So we need to do a deeper study in this before allowing our. We are not against sand mining. Let's make that very clear. But what the government has done is wrong. They have bypassed laws. They have violated laws to favor a few people who have been doing sand mining illegally all these years. So we expect the government to create a whole new lease plan backed by proper study and also the replenishment, how long it takes for the sand to replenish. So all these studies have to be done before they go ahead and grant sand mining leases.